Hello, I'm Bob Frankus, partner at Cirrus Consulting, and I just want to thank you for stopping by our website and learning more about Cirrus Consulting. We are restaurant guys serving the restaurant industry, and I needed to find a better way to run our restaurants, hold our managers more accountable, and give us better financial insight. The result of that is our Cirrus Consulting software. Most restaurants don't have a system that allows them to have accurate financials at the end of the month. And with that, you have a hard time, one, operating your business profitably, and secondly, holding your people accountable with the financials of your business. There's no other industry in this world that we turn over $3 and $4 and $5 million operations to a management team. And in our industry, we do, and that's what allows us to scale. Well, our system will allow you to scale your business faster, more profitable, and hold people accountable. If you would like more information about how this works, click the button on the website to schedule a meeting with your advisor. Allow us to do what we're passionate about while you do what you're passionate about.